Alrighty, Milan, here's your 347 small block Ford. Gives you this combination. Got a set of our SCAT heads. Got the Holley EFI system on it. Great system. Beautiful Billet Specialties front end. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It has got one of our Eagle cranks, SCAT Rods, custom DSS Pistons in it, rotating kit. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 410 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 416, peak horsepower 426, we're rated at 425. It's got a front end on it, that's usually about 10, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean, and show you a couple of things. When you receive your engine, you find a single credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. I would recommend watching all that. On the engine will be this tag, you'll have your engine number, cylinder specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. On the other side, it's got a QR code. That will take you some more tech stuff. So recommend watch all this. Have a great day.